Kaya nga lumakas daw.
Alright!
Hello!
Alright!
Welcome to the Nameless Podcast.
Yun naman pangalan natin.
I'm Andy, Carlos, and we have the rockstar, Coach
Rujen Listo! Welcome to the show, pare, and
I'm glad to be here.
Thank you for gracing us on our very short invite. Actually, 5 minutes lang nandito ka.
Oo, di ba? Libre alak eh.
Oo.
Ang sarap pa ng namit yung chicken bacolod eh.
Thank you kay
Masarap talaga.
Boss Dance.
The
Dance
best.
Inasal.
Dance Inasal.
The best, no?
Thanks to Joey.
Cheers, man.
Teka,
Cheers.
Yan ba talaga yung namin mo?
Oh, wine.
Oh, sige, wine.
Mamaya tayo mag-scotch.
Okay.
I'm glad to be here.
First question.
Banata mo.
Huwag lang mat ha. Mahina ako sa mat eh.
Okay.
Ako din eh. Summer ako. Confused. Kamusta yung coaching mo ngayon? I mean, like you're one of the most sought after coaches.
The
right
hottest coaches out there ngayon.
You know what? Actually, I'm really lucky. I run a very successful coaching program.
Okay.
Successful in the sense that hindi naman, well, financially, I mean, it's there, but
Yeah.
successful in the sense that I'm creating regular Joes into monsters. Yeah. So most of my students started as newbies, just like us, and now they're podiuming. They're doing their first 70.3 with the sub 5. I mean, wala naman. Budol lang naman ang katapat nun eh.
Pero, kailan nag-start mismo yan, pare, na naging coach ka talaga? Matagal ka nag-athlete eh, di ba, pare?
Yeah, matagal na. You know, pag naisip ko, pag ginawa mo yung CAMSUR, ibig sabihin, matanda ka na.
Oh, 2010 pa yun.
So, pare, hindi mo sabi, since ginawa natin tatlo yung
Matanda ka na.
Ginawa na.
Isang dekada na
Oh,
nakalipas.
so if you're there in that era, you've been doing a lot of races, and then you wanna impart, you wanna share what you've experienced, what you've learned, and then you try to impart on regular people the joy of this sport that we have, which is a crazy sport, but you know it's very very fulfilling. It's very entertaining. Oh,
Did you ever really think na magiging coach ka when you first joined?
Yeah, may pagka-teacher na ano ako eh. Actually, goal ko maging principal dati.
Do you
Pero
have a specific method? What's your coaching style?
my coaching style is my coaching style is a very unorthodox kind of style. Eh. Medyo ma-volume ako eh. Yung mga old school kami dati, kami nila Joma. Pag old school ka, volume eh.
So,
But I try to make it a point na hindi mahalata ng athlete na binubudol mo sila.
Tumotodo na
Oo,
pala.
tumotodo sila. Kasi parang this is their threshold. Lalagay mo na sila dito. Para hindi pag umover kasi dun, wala na eh. So kailangan alam mo yung volume, and I'm very fortunate enough to be included in the roster in the federation for World Triathlon. So the government sent me for level 1, and then Korean government invited me for level 2, and then I was fortunate enough to finish those. And okay naman, certified, and okay naman. Pumapasa naman sila.
Nag-start ka ba before na-certify ka pa? Or nag-start ka nung na-certify?
Pero nakakaya kasi sumingil eh. Nakakaya sumingil pag di ka certified eh, di ba?
Okay.
Parang,
Hindi naman nakayan eh. Binigil naman ako.
Hindi ka naman biniling ka pa. Hindi ka naman
pero
biniling ka pa.
pag certified ka, parang ang laki mo na, ang laki ng budget mo ah. And I'm fortunate enough to live in BGC. And I always believe na the best coach for me the best coach is your neighbor. Kasi parang ang layo pag babiyahe ka pa 2 oras to meet your coach.
Yeah.
Parang I'm fortunate enough to live in the place na medyo lahat na mayayaman nandun.
Syempre.
Parang binabayaran ka is 1 year advance, so. O isang taon bayad, wow! Parang bilib mo sa sarili ko eh, di ba?
Pero pag kino-coach mo sila, triathlon agad yung target? Or
Hindi, iba-iba. I have about 90 students right now. And
90?
Yeah. And
1990.
90.
9-0.
And then most of them, I don't know most of them are triathletes, but they have different goals. Iba gusto magpa-beauty
Sana
na.
hindi nanonood ng BIR.
Oo nga, no?
So,
Ano ba to? Public ba to?
Simple math to. Simple math.
Sa labas na yung RDO, pare.
Tapos,
So, yun. I'm fortunate enough to live in BGC and Makati. So, yun yung area na yun. And then most of them, we have 3 training facilities that we utilize for all our training.
Sa BGC.
BGC and Makati.
Saan sa swim doon? Sa BGC?
Our swim is in Bonifacio Heights and Esensa. So, pag mainit, pag umuulan, tulad ngayon, Esensa kami. Social eh. Di ba? Social. Ayaw na lang mainit, ayaw na bitin eh. Di ba? And then, we utilize the tracks of UMAC and then sometimes we go around BGC. But the regular rides that we do, we go east, we go south, yun.
Saan ka nag-start?
Sa BGC.
Check ko lang yung audio before.
Okay.
Saan ka nag-start?
Wala lang. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan.
Sa mga...
Kaya nga nameless eh.
So kasama yan pare, since live tayo. Raw, unfiltered.
Raw, unfiltered.
Yeah, that's how we want it pare.
Yes.
Parang, nakita lang tayo sa bike shop. Uy pare!
Ganun lang yun, parang.
Okay, tayo. Tapos yung usapan na gano'n. Yun yung, that's what we want to catch here. Pare, di ba?
So, si Coach, medyo may pag-renaissance man to eh. Kasi marami siya mga negosyo. So, he's also into sports shooting, competition shooting. Ba? Wine. So, are you sommelier or?
I'm, yeah. And
you
then
bring
we have a wine
wines?
shop. We're one of the newest importers of wines. So
Where is that?
So-
Mapuntahan nga yan.
So we have a wine lounge it's called We Are Wine Experience in BGC. It's in Udena Tower. And we supply we're one of the newest distributors right now of wine. So medyo kalaban na namin yung mga big na kinukuha na natin ng wines dati. Dati best friend mo, ngayon kaaway mo na, di ba?
Wine is a great recovery drink.
Mismo.
Diba?
And also a race drink.
Tannins.
The tannins and there's always a hint of continental 5,000 GP.
Gusto ko salihan yung mga marathon sa France, yung sa wine country.
Marathon
Yung
sa
station, yung
Sila
alak.
Kim ginawa yan.
Yun yung
Diba?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Buhat ng mga yan. May wine glass.
Dapat may gumawa ng ganun eh, ng wine sponsor.
Wala eh. Wala mahirap.
Makagawa ba tayo nun? Pare,
Hindi.
Wala tayong mga permit doon.
Wala tayong vineyard eh. Wala tayo. It's the vineyards, the ones that...
Pero if you supply the wines, ikaw, may
Hindi, masyado mahal.
Ang mahal na yun. Hindi, maningil ka ng 10,000 per head. Good na yan.
Pwede.
Pero nakita ko yun ginawa nila Kuya Kim yan.
Parati lang ginagawa. I think they did it for their 4th or 5th. Yeah.
Pero pwede natin gawin yun pare.
Beer naman, beer.
Di ba? Speaking of...
Nasa climate kasi.
Nag-organize ka na race before, di ba?
Yeah, it's called Rockstar Triathlon.
Oo, di ba? Yun, pwede mong gawin yun, no? Gawin mo
gagawin
Rockstar
natin ulit
Triathlon.
yun.
Di ba? Yun, gawin natin yan. So, ang question ko sa'yo, pare, balik tayo doon sa 90 mo.
Nakikinig ba biya?
9 ano ba?
9 lang pala. Yung isa lang,
Nine lang.
Isa lang nagbabayad dun.
Nasabi ko ba 90? 9. Paano mo hinahandle yun, pare? So, so babalik tayo. Mention ko siya yung training methods mo. May training peaks ka ba or whatever?
Yeah. We have, of course, pag gano'n na karami, yeah, training peaks. So,
Yeah.
but I'm a believer of face-to-face. Parang gusto ko kasi nakikita ko eh. I'm not a big fan of online.
You face all 9
Yeah,
face-to-face?
we see each other 6 times a week,
All 9?
2 times a day.
Oo.
All 90. Yeah.
Paano
So, yun, hati-hati, iba-iba. So they join. So their monthly dues would cover the 6 times, 2 times a day workouts a
Expenses.
week. Imagine that. Sulit na sulit. So para lumalabas, 120 pesos lang per session ang bayad nila. Mas mahal pa yung kape.
Paano kayo nagkakasya sa pool? 90?
Well, sometimes 20 lang sila. And then iba naman sa ibang session, ibang.
Yeah.
Kasi depende sa availability nila.
So, mas marami ka.
Tsaka hindi lahat yun triathlon.
Oh.
So may mga iba, they gusto mong pa-beauty, papaya, yung mga runners lang, iba, athletes lang.
So, marami ka rin bang mga isa running era ngayon? Marami ka nakuha dyan?
Marami. Especially yung mga nagmamarathon sa ibang bansa.
So you've done Kona, right? Once?
I've done Kona once, the World Championship. I've done about, I'll be doing my 19th full Ironman in Korea.
Sorry,
Korea.
this Kona, was this the year that you had their accident?
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
That was an amazing, interesting year.
Bro, ang dami pa accident.
Grabe! Sabi nga nila, iniimbento ko na nga lang yun para magka-story ako. Eh, no?
Actually,
ginagawa ko na lang daw yung mga para magka-story. Actually, what happened there was, I trained at my peak. Talagang ang bilis na, mga 4 minute na, 350 na yung per kilometer, ganyan. And then 1 month before the Kona, we were having a shooting competition.
Okay.
Kala ko naubos na yung bala. Pero palang isa, pag holster ko, bang! Pumutok!
So, yung daliri mo nasa trigger pa pala. Akala mo...
Hindi, masyado sensitive yung ano.
Sobrang
Pag ganung holster.
May ilang pang 1 pound.
Oo, pag
na-nudge na, pumutok na.
Pag baba mo, pumutok, tanggal yung pinky ko ng paa. Labas yung ano. Si Arnel Pineda pa nagdala sa hospital. So, 1 month before tanggal to, so wow. And then si Mark Castro, my doc, told me hindi ka na pwede mag-train. So, yun. And then sabi niya, wala akong magawa. Parang hindi ako nag-training.
You're still lucky, ha? Kasi pinky lang yun.
Tanggal yun. Then binilit niya, screw. And then nakalubas ako sa Makati Med, naka-crutches. 1 week after, gusto ko na mag-bike. Pero umuulan naka-crutches ako, nadulas ako sa Serendra. Na-dislocate ako ng left shoulder. Buti left kasi right yung ano eh. Kasi kung right yung pareho, tabi nila yung lamay ko.
Pero swerte ka kung ito yun. Kasi kung dito tumama, hindi ka talaga makakalakad. Putok na yung paa mo.
Tsaka buti 9mm lang.
Kung
45 yun.
FMJ.
Ubus yun.
Tsaka low power yun.
Low power yun. So, yun.
Scary,
So, I competed in Kona in 2022 with running with 1 foot, 1 leg, and I swam 1 arm.
Pero hindi ka qualified sa PWD.
Hindi nga eh. Kasi sabi na, pinag-aralan mo yun eh.
Hindi ka qualified?
Hindi kasi sabi, limb daw, limb.
Bakit hindi pa counted to?
Hindi limb yan eh. Ito daw limb eh.
Hindi kasi sabi ko sa previous podcast ko yun na
Parang sinente ka na kulang pa.
Ayun na nga eh.
Isa ko yun na yung pag-asa ko po siya. Siguro ito, kaya ko na i-sacrifice to. Kaya ko na i-sacrifice to. Sobrang hirap.
So, yun. And then, actually, it was a blessing in disguise. Blessing in disguise na, di ba, dumami yung sponsor kasi it was Fred Uytengsu who was promoting, hey, there's a rockstar over here, there's a Filipino guy racing Kona. He shot his foot in the... Naman naman si Fred, di ba? Shot his foot in the... broke his shoulder, he's competing in Kona. Who's that guy? So I got interviewed sa Kona.
Airtime ka pa,
Oo, so dumami ngayon yung sponsors ko. Yung ngayon, mga kaibigan ko ngayon, pare, tulungan mo naman akong marilito.
Yung safe bet, yung ano lang, nandipis lang.
Kailangan ko lang ng konti.
Yung dito lang yung
Hindi ba shotgun, pare?
So, that's the whole story. And then, you finish. Kasi that's where I realized na in our sport, kailangan mayabang na mayabang. Kasi if you just do this just for the heck of like, for your passion and grit, kailangan meron kong gudukutin dito na kahit na mahirap to, mayabang ako. Hindi yung yabang na what you have, what you learn, what you, yung kaya mo, mahirap to, gagawin mo lahat. Yun ang kailangan. And that's what I'm imparting to my students.
Iron Man.
That's what I'm imparting to my students. Kailangan mayabang ka dito. Kailangan mahirap. Kailangan huwag kang papatalo din sa mga yan. Diba? Yun. Cheers!
What a great story!
Ginawa rin namin itong podcast na to kasi ang hirap magyabang sa ibang lugar.
Kaya nga
Kapag sa sarili kang podcast mo, pwede tayo magyabang.
Sa'yo to eh.
Diba? Wala pwedeng pumuna sa atin.
Kaya ang motto ko ngayon, walang mahirap sa mayabang.
Tama.
Basta nasa lugar.
Pero yung yabang na, di ba? Kasi, di ba, hirap. Makita mo, may ahon. Diba? May ahon.
Okay.
Alam nga na maglakad ka, di ba nakakahiya?
Mabuti ng kaysa mapahiya.
Nakakahiya maglakad.
Bawal maglakad.
Kailangan talaga yabangan mo. So, in everything that you do, kaya nga yung 3 words na yan eh, don't stop believing.
Kita mo na. Hindi ko lang mapapangkitin yung segue na yun eh. Hindi ko na kayo sa segue sana.
Kaya ito sa Christmas party ng dance, pare, pag Rocky okay na.
Kasi sinasabi na nga ng ibang tao wala na pang iba, pare. Pero pag Easter, ding, 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 ding. Sinanimos ko doon.
Actually, iniiba ko na kay lyrics eh. Pag nagkasama na rin ako eh. Totoo na. Pag kumakanta ako kayo, kasi kanta ka naman, journey na naman. Pag kakanta ko kayo, iniiba ko ni lyrics, sinakam na ako, highway yan, hindi yan tawiran. Mamamatay ka dyan.
Pag tumawid ka, yan! Pero, pare,
Pwede tayo gawa ng karaoke session
marami bang siguro marami ka rin nakuha dahil sa kakanta mo, pare. I'm sure marami ka rin
Actually, ito Carlos
oh.
Sa totoo, aaminin ko na ito ngayon. Alam mo, parang akalain mo, nakapag 18 na full Ironman ako, kakanta lang. Pumunta ka. Pinilala nila. Ang yaman ni Rockstar.
Oo, pare.
Hindi, kinakanta lang ako yan eh. Ibigyan lang ako ng race kit eh.
Pare, para maka 18 na ganyan ka, mga half a million minimum yan. Malaki pa. Ang liit ng half a
Dapat
million.
yan, mas maganda nga, nagbayad na lang ako para doon sa Kona eh, di ba?
Oo. Pero
sabi nga, di ba, yun ang zenith ng ano eh, yung Kona, yung World Championship. You've done that, and that's it. I've done it. Retire ka na.
Yeah.
Biglang dumami yung estudyante mo.
So may bago
Sila
ka.
naman ang ngayon ng ano. Sila ngayon ang bubudol sa akin.
So para lang
So ngayon, nag-race pa rin ako. I did my 38 half Ironman. I'm doing my
38?
70.3 and then I'm doing my 19th full Ironman in Korea. So parang medyo pahirap ng pahirap. Siyempre, tumatanda na tayo, di ba? Siyempre, pag 35 ka na, matanda ka na, di ba? So, hindi. So, and then medyo, kailangan pahirap ng pahirap. Kasi ngayon, siyempre, yabangan, di ba? Medyo nakikita mo na ngayon, mga bike na 1,200 na Paris, Best Paris, mga North Cape na 4,500, mga Marathon des Sables na 252 kilometers na run, parang pahirap, nakakatakot na eh. Minsan nga. Kasi ako, I always believe na if it doesn't scare you, it's not worth doing. Di ba? Tama. Ano ba naman yung gagawa ka pa ng madadali eh?
Parang yung podcast rin na to. Hindi ko masimulan eh, for some reason.
Hanggang ngayon, nameless pa rin.
Pag-usapan lang namin kasi...
Saka ni pangalan.
Kailangan ko lang pala ng kakampiran ng co-host.
Mismo. Ang dami-dami nating kaibigan dito.
Di ba?
Di ba? Tutulong ka tayo. Di ba?
Pero sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung... So, na-fuel ka lang sa students mo, di ba pa? Yun naman sila naman yung ginamit mo motivation.
Sila, nagbubudulan kaming lahat.
Pero yung finish line mo ko, nakakatawid ka ng IM. Ano na, okay ka pa ba? O kasi, di ba?
Okay ba? Kasi tawag sa akin, Mr. Congeniality eh. Lahat talagang pinapansin ko sa course. Pati sa run course, nagko-concert ako ganyan. Masayahin ako, kailangan
Oo nga, nung Ultra Gravel 2 years ago, binabati ako nito. Habang
So, gano'n ba nagre-race?
Pinapalas ako.
Ako tinahado ha.
Galing mo talaga, Ans! Galing mo ko eh.
Let's go, bro! Gano'n ba
Tsaka kailangan
Galing ng
masaya.
hunting mo, Coach Hans. Hunting ko na ulo na sa akin. Hanip pag transport eh.
Pero kailangan ganun talaga eh. Kasi kung hindi masaya, corny, di ba? Kaya kailangan namin gumawa ng something na nakakatakot. Kasi kami, iisipin mo pa lang, natatakot ka na, medyo,
Shit, ang haba.
If you, like now, we're thinking of going up Mount Everest. Hindi lang sa base camp pero sa K2 na, parang,
K2?
Iniisip na namin, parang, magkano ba yan? Mahal yan? Mahal? Di ba? Tsaka mahirap. Yung iisipin mo na pag imposible, and believe you me, the human spirit has no limits. Kailangan mag-iisip ka lang, mag-goal ka lang, mananaginip ka lang, lakihan mo na. Kasi para pag medyo hindi mo nagawa, at least nandun lang sa average, di ba?
Visualize mo ba yan, pare? Parang, meron ka ba rin bang gano'n na parang...
Meron.
Law of attraction.
Yeah.
Yung pagiging coach mo, law of attraction mo ba yan?
Hindi. Biglang dumami na lang sila eh. Dumami. Parang
Kita mo naman, napaka-magnetic ng personality niya.
Oo, hindi, tsaka lahat sila, halos lahat sila, they're either captains of industry or they're more on the, kasi to tell you honestly, this sport is not cheap.
Yes.
It's a very expensive sport. And sa bike pa lang, sa training pa lang, and I'm lucky enough to have students who are, who have businesses, who have influence. So medyo meron silang say, and they're the ones who are becoming my sponsors now. So medyo they support whatever our advocacy is. Yun ang doon kami nag-aano, we have a fund, meron kaming club, so dumami. And they say that I'm inspiring a lot of people. Pero sa totoo lang, binubudol ko lang sila eh.
Oo.
Nagpapabudol naman sila, di ba?
That's
At
the
masaya sila.
coaching club, team.
Rockstar Triathlon
Rockstar
Coaching.
Triathlon.
Yes, so rockstar track.
Kasi para pag finish mo, gusto ko, feeling mo rockstar ka, di ba? Yun eh.
May rockstar running club ko rin ba?
Meron Run on Clouds. Yan.
Yun. So,
Yan.
yun na rin yun, di ba?
Yun na rin yun. So, and most of them, they have different goals. Siyempre. But most of them, marathoners, kanyan. Gusto nila sila, people come up to me, Coach, I never swam, I never bike, I never run. Yun ang nagtatribe ako, yung imposible, yung housewife na wala, third class ang tingin niya sa sarili, walang confidence. Here's money, can you make me an Ironman? Parang, wow, makita ko lumangoy.
Ganda ng problema.
Ganda ng problema mo, para.
Okay, so parang 1 year in advance, parang, and then that's where I thrive, yung posible. Kasi pag nakita ko kayo, alam ko malalakas kayo, di ba? Pero pag nakakita ka ng, yung imposible, hindi mo alam kung, paano ko tuturuan to, di ba? And then, every day, you see the development. Para ka nag-aalaga ng sisiw, nag-hatch na ganun, and then, ginawa mong
manok.
Texas,
Texas.
lalaban sa sabong. Pag tumiri, ang galing, di ba? Iyon. Iba yung feeling na ganun.
Yung coaching mo ba, iba-iba per athlete? Kasi
Iba-iba.
Hindi Texas yung iba.
Hindi. Yung iba talisahin, yung iba talisahin. Kasi iba-iba eh. We all have different characters eh.
Plus you have 90 students.
Ang pinakamahirap dun, yung mag-coach, yung estudyante ka na, yung tawag namin ni Jomac, yung uncoachable. Yung di bang mas magaling ka pa sa coach. Yung medyo lahat, ito gagawin mo. Hindi, yun ang mahirap.
So may ganun ka.
Pero pag pinaperon ako, okay lang.
Pinaperon ka?
Gusto ko yun!
Pwede mo lang
yung check, okay na.
Tsaka naka-PayPal sila. Naka-monthly.
Auto-debit.
Kahit di nag-attend yun. Sarap.
Walang singilan.
Napansin nga, si Coach pa na yung bakasyon ha.
Parang ginagamit. Parang grabe yung mga bakasyon mo ha.
Hindi kasi kailangan I work hard. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy.
Okay.
Diba? Yun eh. You have to work hard and you also know how to play hard.
Yeah.
So parang, I'm lucky enough to do this at passion to eh. Sabi nga ni Ricky Reyes, di ba? Passion and beauty tips.
Yes.
Fashion pala yun, fashion. Fashion and beauty tips.
Passion
so,
yun.
Kailangan may passion ka to do this. Kasi kung wala kang passion, wala. Hindi mo magagawa talaga to. Promise.
Do you see yourself doing this for many more years?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think as long as I can walk, I can have the mindset and the rudiments of like
the
teaching.
hunger,
Yeah. And I mean, as a coach, I can't say that I'm the most learned and most intelligent person in the room. I always seek other sources of knowledge. Me, even if I'm a coach, I have other coaches to teach me. Kasi I always believe that there's always someone who can see what your problem is. Yeah. What's wrong with you? Sometimes
there's always something new to learn.
Yeah.
Interesting yan pare. Kasi sabi ko na si Andy, Coach Iggy, siya nagpa-coach kay Coach Iggy. That's something I never got before.
I know. You've known each other for a long time.
Diba? So, nagpapa-coach ka rin pala. Sino yung coach mo?
Well, andyan si Jomac. Diba?
Magpapaturo ka rin kay Coach
Jomac. Tinuturo ka rin si Jomac. Kasi kami nagkakakitaan eh. So kasi old school kami.
Yeah.
Old school.
And so then, may notebook ka rin ba?
Yeah, and then meron post-it. Kasi when I there was one time I attended Brett Sutton. And you think, you think, siya yung, alam niya yung training, alam na. Pagpunta ka doon, ano nangyari? Bibigyan ka lang niya ng post-it. Ito yung sa'yo.
Yeah, that's it.
So old school na old school.
Old
parang,
school, yeah.
Wala man ng training pics to. Wala man ng lactic testing to.
But sabi nga niya, I don't have all of that. I have champions.
Yeah. So it's really the mindset. When I learned about coaching in other countries that, kasi alam mo na coaching, di ba? Bro, MD, di ba? Limasihin ko dito, di ba?
Yeah.
So kailangan, kasi you can just go to any online and you can have a course. You can have a coaching course. But what I learned is that when you put in cues in their minds, yung meron kang sasabihin, meron kang pupulong, and then mababago mo yung pananaw nila, panalo ka na. Yun yung
that's the high.
Yun yung talent.
That's the high na you
Yun. Kasi and then magbabago yung ano nila. And then I like it. I love it when every day and then pag race day, nagpo-podium sila. Pero sinasabi ko sa kanila, alam mo yung podium na yan, nakaka-depress yan. Kasi pag podium ka ng podium at bigla ka nag-fourth,
parang addiction yan.
Parang gusto mo na patayin sarili mo. Yun.
May ano nga yan eh. May nabasa nga ako kasi isa Asian Underwater Hockey Champs. Nag-third kami pa. So para may psychology pala, share ko na lang din why the bronze, the third placer is more happier than the silver.
Yes.
Kasi nga yung logic niyan, kasi if you place seconds, you won silver, that means you lost something.
You could have been first.
Could have been first. But if you win bronze, yes, nakalusot!
Yes!
Diba? If you're first, now you have to repeat.
Yes, exactly. But when I teach my students, kasi sila malalakas na eh. Sinasabi ko, you know what? Second place is just the first loser.
So, tina-target mo rin sila. Parang napansin ko sa'yo sa may alpha mentality ka ba? Na gusto mo si Bak?
Hindi mo obvious.
Kasi
ito alpha to eh. Andel Uterio.
Kasi Brother Rog, nakita ka sa race course. We raced sa tayo ni IM nun. Di na pa ko nun, bro. Sa tayo nun?
Sa abroad. Taiwan. Sa Peru.
Masaya ka nagre-race eh, di ba?
Kasi, well, first of all, kailangan masaya ka eh. Kasi useless tong lahat to, hindi ka masaya. Di ba? Kailangan mo ginagawa to para, di ba, hindi naman tayo gagawa ng something na ikalulungkot mo. Imposible yun. Lalo na kung binayaran natin tapos sinulungkot mo wala, di ba?
Hindi naman sila sinisweldo para gawin yan,
di ba? So, kailangan to, you have to be at least happy. At least you know the advantage or the benefits of this, the thing you do that would give it to you, di ba? Parang, ito pala yung benefit nito, di ba? And most of them, they know the benefits already. They've seen their transformation from their bodies. They've seen their mindsets change, their goals. So parang alam nila, ang sarap ng feeling nito di ba? Lalo na pag nag-podium ka. Lalo na pag may sponsor ka.
Pagka, pare, one last before we malapit na rin tayo paano lumaki yung coaching? I mean, I'm always on social media, pare, given I run SBR.
I think it's
pare, hindi ka
never post
eh.
Yeah, I never, sabi nga nila I never post, I never promote, I never promise. I cannot promise that I will take you to World Championship. I cannot promise, but I just promise that I can give you a great time.
Pero Pops,
word of mouth?
Kasi I see your post pa. Do you even have a page na Rockstar Coach?
Wala.
Wala pa rin.
Just within community.
Siguro Siguro kwento-kwento lang. Word of mouth. Uy, ang lalakas ng mga nagsasub 5 sa 70.3. Uy, mga first time mo.
Ay, pwede pang uminom. Pwede naman
pala eh.
Yun! Diba?
Pwede pang uminom. Hindi lang inom.
Hindi ba kailangan maging parang monk?
Nung nasabi sa akin ni Andy na mag-guest ka, I'm not curious kasi I've always wanted to ask that. Kasi I mean, I see other coaches, not to compare. You don't post, pare.
Yeah.
I see more of your travels.
Kung 90 ba naman na story, may oras pa ba yung mag-post? Busy eh.
Pero actually, ang hirap kasi when you have brands who believe in you. And
they have expectations.
Expectations. Parang jahe rin na hindi ka nagtutuloy. I'm fortunate enough to podium. Kasi siguro pag 35 ka na, at nagpo-podium ka ba? Yun, medyo malakas to.
Hindi mo pa na bata ka pa.
Pero 55 ka na.
Pero hindi naman kayo tatlo sa age group.
So, okay naman. So, pag nagpo-podium, and I'm happy, yung mga brands na I support, that they support me and I support them. Kumbaga, it's a two-way street. It's always a two-way street. And then, doon lumalaki, and then they introduce me to an corporate, and then lumalaki, and then word of mouth. And then, nagugustuhan nila yung method. Kasi, structured training or hindi, it's your style of training. You have to create a schedule na alam nila, kahit wala ka, gagawin nila. Yun yung, kasi ayoko naman na forever na sa akin yung estudyante. Hindi naman pwedeng budulin mo sila forever for coaching. Hindi. I want you to be, I'll teach you the fastest way possible. You will be perfect. You're doing everything fast, the fastest way possible. Iwanan na kita. Ganun yun.
Saan
Para
sila pupunta?
onto the, well,
Kasama pa rin sa coaching mo, saan sila?
Oo, pero hindi na katatutukan. Hindi mo kang bayaran, di ba?
Oo.
And then iba naman, di ba? Iba naman nabubudulin mo, ganun. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng all the time, they're always relying on you.
Yeah.
On everything that they do.
At some point, the bird has to fly.
Yes,
so,
exactly. The little chick, kailangan turuan mo silang lumipad.
Pagka mga ganyan na talaga, nakakaila shot na tayo.
Yeah.
Ganyan na yung usapan. The bird has to fly.
Paggaling sa trabaho. Gusto nyo tayong nag-relax.
On that note, thank you for joining us for the 5th episode of the Nameless Podcast. One of the happiest and most positive coaches in the multisport community.
Thank you very much, Andy.
Thank you for
Thank you
joining
very
us.
much, Carlos.
Sana may natutunan kayong mga viewers.
Sakto lang, ganito, binibitin natin para pwedeng umulit.
Para masakit sa pusod.
Yan, di ba? On that note, thank you for watching our, anong episode na to? 5th episode of the Still Nameless SBR Podcast.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ayun na, may ganyan-ganyan tayo. And hit the notification bell. And click here. Okay, brother, that's it.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you.
Andy, thank you very much.